Hi everyone, welcome to Take My Life. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off background app refresh on iPhone. So let's jump right in. First, open the settings app. Go to the general settings. Here, look for the background app refresh option. Once you find it, tap on it. Again, tap on the background app refresh option from the top of the list. Finally, you will see three options: off, Wi-Fi and mobile data options. Tap on the off option. And this is how you can turn off background app refresh on iPhone. Thank you for watching Take My Life. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.